Good morning, everyone. And
Good morning.
thank you so much for coming to all the way from Indonesia to China to Hangzhou.
Welcome to Alibaba. As a leader of Alibaba Globalization Group, I hope to establish a long-term, reliable partnership to promote the development of small and medium-sized enterprises in Indonesia.
The New Economy Workshop is a program designed to help and engage government officials from outside of China to show to them the benefits of a digital economy, specifically the benefits that e-commerce brings to creating a more inclusive development model. So what we do is we bring in officials from these various markets and share with them how e-commerce, payments, logistics, big data, all of these components make up an ecosystem that we refer to as the new digital economy, and explain to them how really this benefits all of the people and all of the companies in our society today. And we hope that through this engagement and sharing that they will learn from this model so that they can build together a society that is more inclusive and can benefit small businesses, entrepreneurs, women, and youth.
People would like to learn Kung Fu, they went to Shaolin. But now, when you want to learn e-commerce, digital communities, I think we have to learn as well from Alibaba.
In reality, e-commerce now in Indonesia is a driver of digital economy. Okay, this is some potentials that we have to nourish so it can really contribute to the poverty alleviation, for example, to economic growth. One of our end game for e-commerce is actually the SMEs. We have more than 70,000 villages, but with the examples of rural Taobao, it's very inspiring to see how village people that usually marginalized can also get benefit from internet, from e-commerce.
That's very interesting. The village itself is similar like the village in Indonesia, so I hope that we can transform our village to the Taobao model, like in China. I think the workshop itself, it mostly covers all we need and focus on why and what mostly covers in this course. One of our focus on the roadmap, e-commerce roadmap in Indonesia is about the digital talents. That's our task and our challenge to how to fulfill the digital expertise or digital talents like in China.
The world in the future is supporting young people, small
Jack Ma
business.
said that the soft skills is the most important things for the future. So we have to change our education system to fulfill that.
What I really take note is that how the government should be a developer rather than a regulator. We have to leave some room for especially the entrepreneurs, SME, the young people to grow.
Jack Ma is very impressive, very inspired for me.
We think countries like Indonesia has a great hope. You have a population, you have a strong culture. Nobody is the expert of future. The expert future is starting now.